Hi folks, I'm HB and this is my channel, I'm Always New, where we go from foreign to fluent starting from step 0. I grew up speaking Punjabi, but I am now learning to read and write. I also speak Japanese and I've taught English in Japan. So those are my qualifications. Now, what's my reason for this Punjabi video series? I have two reasons. So let's start with my selfish reason. I want to learn from you in the community. I think language is always changing. Each person who speaks a language will contribute to the language. And in the tech community, this type of open-ended innovation is known as open source knowledge. So I want to expand my perspective by hearing yours. My other reason, my selfless reason, why not? What good is knowing a language that isn't adaptive? The last step of learning something is successfully teaching it to others. I hate the word teach. Instead, if I can guide you towards improvement, if I save you time in your language learning journey, only then will I be convinced this was a success. Now, before we learn any concepts in Punjabi, let's start at step 0. Step 0 is all about you, the learner. Who are you? How do you learn best? What are you going to use Punjabi for? Are you going to use it to see more of the world? Make friends? Maybe you will use it to argue more effectively with a significant other. Whatever your reason, Punjabi is simply a tool at your disposal. But if you don't know in what capacity you will use it, it's going to be a more frustrating process. Instead, I encourage you to get aligned with yourself and your goals in this phase in step 0. Well, that's all I wanted to say in this video. I gotta get back to my physical life, but I am open to suggestions. What kind of stuff do you want to see? So far, my friend has recommended a video on verbs, but that might be a later video. Anyway, let me know, and if I don't hear from you, I'll make something and post it again next week. Chak de fatte!